What are you doing, Ethan? You picking your nose? You picking your nose? Huh? Ethan, you picking your nose?
Yeah.
Why? What are you digging for? Gold? What's in the nose? Say Lima.
Mama.
Alright, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Say I love you.
Hi.
Ugh, don't do that, Kaka. Say I love you. Look at your hair, your messy haircut. Say I love you.